on, James Connolly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Destroys in the sky, leading heavens and lighting down, a mad rage in his eyes. In this kid's time, I think I'm here inside to fight for the rights of the working man. Small father to protect the proletariat, the bosses and their screws. Hold on to your rifles, boy, I'm gonna beat you. I'm a republic of the working class economic liberty. English boss a monster, and Irish would even worse. They'll never lock us out again. Here's the reason why my name is James Connolly. Asking from here to top to fight for the rights of the working man. Small farmers to protect the proletariat, the bosses and their screws. Hold on to your rifles, boy, look at the truth. One republic for the working class economic liberty. McDermott, kissing each other goodbye. I'm stepstairs as a leader, heroes out to the sky. James Connolly, I can come here to top to fight for the rights of the working man. Small farmers to protect the proletariat, the bosses and their screws. Hold on to your rifles, boy, we love you too. I'm a republic for the working class economic Just get taken low. on your feet and to live forever. Some slaves always down on your knees. I don't want to tell them the other one to die. Don't have to wrap the green flag around me. For Christ's sake, don't let them bury you. Some feel for the hearts and shamrocks. Whatever you do, don't let them make America no longer. Rise the starry cloud on high. Sing a song of freedom. Yes, you do, Lily. The rights of man. International revolution. You steps in the flames of the sky. We'll put up your our leader. We give up the fight. They shot him in command jail. They'll never stop this crime. This is Connolly. I didn't come here to die. To fight for the rights of the working man. Small father to protect the proletariat. The cops in their screws. Hold on to your rifles, Lord.